we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mouses for Photoshop that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Logitech G700S. The Logitech G700S is widely regarded by many Photoshop enthusiasts and gamers as the best macro mouse ever. At $199, it is reasonably affordable and is one of the most popular picks in this segment, and there's not much that can go wrong if you're using it for Photoshop. It requires a single AA battery and can be used both wired and wirelessly. The reason for this is that if you're using a rechargeable battery, connecting the mouse with the USB cable to your computer will automatically charge the battery, as the mouse itself doubles down as a battery charger. It's also among the most comfortable mice you can use. The buttons are well placed and don't feel clustered or uncomfortable to use. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Logitech G900 Chaos Spectrum. The more expensive, advanced bigger brother of the G700S has a lot to offer if you can afford it. It is one of the most advanced wireless mice on the market, and features a good-looking and high-performance ambidextrous design. The G900 Chaos Spectrum boasts a tremendous 12,000 dpi range, making sure that you can navigate comfortably on any screen size without a hassle. The battery lasts a long 32 hours, which means you can comfortably use it for an entire day without worrying about the battery getting drained out. Bear in mind though that this one does not come with a charging dock and does not have the same recharging tech as the G700S. At number 3, we have the Logitech G600. If you can't afford either of the aforementioned mice, don't fret. We've got just the right option for you, the Logitech G600. The G600 is a uniquely designed MMO gaming mouse that features the highest number of buttons on a gaming mouse. What this means is that if you use this mouse, chances are you might be able to carry out most of the functions you usually require using just your mouse. Other than that, it has the same DPI range as the G700S at 8,200 DPI, which makes it quite versatile and usable on most screen sizes. It also features an RGB backlight system. It isn't wireless though, so don't expect to be carrying it along with your laptop at ease. At number 2, we have the Logitech MX Master 2S. This mouse features Logitech's Flow cross-computer usability. What this means is that you can use this mouse on multiple computers at the same time. It connects via a special unified receiver that transmits the mouse's signal across to at least 3 different computers, compatible with both Windows and Mac. What's more, the MX Master 2S can also transfer files between these computers, without you having to connect a USB storage device and go through the hassle of copying stuff onto it from one computer and transferring it to the next. It can also be used on any kind of flat surface, including glass, without losing out on its tracking speed or response time. And finally, at number 1, we have the Razer Naga Trinity. Well, Logitech sure does dominate the computer mouse industry, doesn't it? Or so it seems. Here's one really good product by Razer, the Naga. The name might seem a little weird, but once you set your sights on this mouse, you'll stop thinking about it. What's in a name anyway? The Naga Epic Chroma is one of the most comfortable mice to use, and just like the Logitech G600, it has a lot of customizable buttons. Just one less than the G600 in fact, but more than enough for a Photoshop enthusiast. The DPI range sits at 8,200. Quite handy and sufficient for most screen resolutions. The tilt-click scroll function is a really good feature to use as well. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time!